Well, Brian, something fun about this storm, fun, is I have never seen the map show that much snow at one time, I guess this winter.
Yeah, it's almost everywhere in Illinois is seeing snowfall right now, and it's coming south to north. So we have a long time left. I think at least another 5 hours of snow is a good bet for a lot of us, even longer in other areas. So that's one of the reasons why I think this will be a pretty big snow event for most of us. We'll get it right to live Doppler radar and widespread snow. Even some heavier snow is starting to develop. This was one of the concerns we had for the evening forecast, was some snow bands forming that will have some moderate to even at times heavy snow. You see sort of this little streak of some darker blue from eastern Mason County into western and central parts of McLean County, just west of Bloomington Normal. A little bit heavier snowfall expected here. It's going to reduce our visibility, some quicker accumulations on the roads, and that could lead to certainly some widespread travel concerns. But all this snow, again, it's moving south to north, so we have, again, 4, 5, 6+ hours left of this snowfall across the area. It's creating reduced visibilities. You can clearly see that, a live look of downtown Peoria. Tough to see the skyline there off in the distance, and even Interstate 74, very slow traffic. You can see some of the lanes kind of carved down with enough travel. And that's just the main road. Imagine some of the back roads. Certainly very slick. Want to use a lot of caution out there if you have to be out this evening. One more look here, a live look. This is out in McLean County, Interstate 55. And you notice there on the road itself, a lot of blowing and drifting snow. It's another issue we're going to have here even after snow stops tonight. Winds are going to be gusting as high as maybe 20 miles an hour. So your road, even in your neighborhood, could be plowed, could be salted. Looks great. Wind kicks in, snow is right back on top of it. So that's going to be another concern as we head into tonight and tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at those road conditions right now, area-wide, especially Interstate 55 and I-80. Those are the ones seeing the worst road conditions, but I think area-wide, these will likely get worse before they get better. So this is just another one of those. If you don't have to be out, it's just best to stay at home and wait this one out, let conditions improve. If you have to be outside this evening and into tonight and on the roads, you give yourself a lot of time, a lot of space, use extra caution, all those definitely necessary. Here's advanced cast. Widespread snow continues here as we head through the evening into tonight. Again, some locally moderate to heavy snowfall is expected. And then maybe after our 10 o'clock newscast, we'll start to see snow tapering off from south to north, but still north of Interstate 74 around 11 o'clock midnight, some light snow possible. It should quit as we head into early tomorrow morning. Here's a look at additional snowfall, and that's the key word. This doesn't include anything that's been on the ground, anything that fell earlier this afternoon, this morning. This is what we still could see here this evening into early tonight. I-55, upward of 3 to 6 inches is on the way, again, especially if we get some of those heavier snow bands to form. Illinois River Valley, it's in the middle there, the blue color that includes Peoria. Another 2 to 5 is coming your way, and northwest of the Illinois River, still some at least impressive totals in spots, upward of 2 to 3 inches. But again, areas there in Knox County, Stark County, and Bureau County, certainly less than what we'll see off to the east near Interstate 55. But area-wide, regardless of the specific number, definitely going to see some big impacts on the roads here this evening. Overnight tonight, even after snow stops, that blowing and drifting snow will be likely. And even tomorrow morning, want to exercise that caution as we still could have some blowing snow, some reduced visibility at times, and definitely some slick spots, especially on any back and secondary roads. Forecast tonight, snow mainly before midnight. It will be cold, even dangerous cold at times. Wind chill values well below 0 once again. Then a cold one tomorrow with temperatures in the low teens. Still could see some blowing and drifting snow at times. And then maybe a little bit of snow there Wednesday and Thursday. Only 30% chance. We're going to watch maybe a little rain and snow as warmer weather is back by the weekend, and even some 40s. Finally, some warm weather by the end of the forecast next week.